Hello, today I wanted to give you my review of the Complete Guide to Pressure Canning book. I am actually new to canning in general, whether it's water bath or pressure canning, and I knew in this, like I've seen a lot of videos online and stuff, and they were great, but I just wanted something tangible that I could hold in my hands and reference to on a moment's notice, regardless as if I had my phone or computer handy. So I found this online. It had great reviews. I've even heard my mom talk about Diane Devereaux a lot and just loving all her stuff. And so I knew when I saw this book, I knew, yep, that's the one I want to get. And I have been very, very impressed with it. I have many pages earmarked or dog marked that I would like to try, whether it's chicken, pork, venison, beef, it's all in here. And I've even already made one of the recipes. I've pressure canned some hamburger beef stew, and I made this from a recipe in this book. And I actually had some today, and it was great. It was filling. It was wonderful. Whether you're new to canning, pressure canning, or whatever, and you are just wanting a good book that's going to give you all the things that you need for pressure canning, this one, The Complete Guide to Pressure Canning, is definitely the one you're going to want to get.